friends, today's unboxing the trimmer, the Syska trimmer. I purchased from Flipkart. Before we start the video, please like and video, friends. Please subscribe my channel, please. Do not forget to share this video. Just unboxing start this one. Flipkart Plus member I am also. The Syska. Very cheap price I get. The actual price is 1,200. Last week offers. Good person, not big tail, not the 300 rupees only. Now the MRP price is something 1,000 rupees, 900 rupees, always price up and down, up and down. But as I get 300 rupees, Access Bank card also use their discount also. Cleaning brush, the trimmer adjustment. Okay guys, like and video and subscribe my channel. Please share this video. You want to question in the comment section, I'll give you answer. You want to purchase like this product, I'll give you link in the description box. Okay guys, bye and like. Please share this video.